Well, as state and county leaders work to help us through the pandemic, our lawmakers in Washington are also doing their part to bring relief to families in Southeast Texas. ABC 13 was the only Texas television station to talk with Senator Ted Cruz today. ABC 13's Tom Abrams live with more on what the senator had to say. Tom.
Well, as you know, Texas Senator Ted Cruz is from Houston, and he is right now in his home. But just because he's riding this out right now in his house, it doesn't mean he's not trying to help Texans get through this crisis. The Republican senator is on what he's calling a teletown hall tour, visiting with constituents from across the state from his Houston home. He knows the economic disaster is as big or bigger a concern for most Texans than the virus. So many are out of work. Oil prices are low. It's a mess. But he says help is coming from the $2.2 trillion stimulus package.
A couple earning $150,000 a year or less with 3 kids is going to get a check for $3,900. That's designed to be real, immediate relief for families that may be scared, may have lost their job, may not be sure how they're going to pay the rent next month.
Cruz said he has pushed OPEC to cut back production and hopes they'll do the right thing to help the American energy industry and stop blaming Russia for the impasse.
My response, Tom, I said, look, Russia is our enemy. We know Russia's our enemy. They act like our enemy, and we treat them like our enemy. You're supposed to be our friend, so damn well act like it.
Above everything, though, the senator says none of the health or economic worries can be abated without a vaccine.
I've introduced legislation to accelerate that process, to streamline that process, to use the incredible innovation of the United States, of the American economy, to defeat this crisis.
Now, you may remember that Texas Senator Ted Cruz was quarantined twice. He self-quarantined after exposure to those who may have had the illness. But he says he is healthy and he is safe, as is his family. Reporting live tonight from Southwest Houston, Tom Abrams, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.